Fujicolor Everyday Original is bold, real color for your everyday life. This preset pack is for enhancing beautiful everyday moments, people, and adventures that mean the most to you. Whether exploring a city landscape, hanging out at your coffee shop, or shooting an impromptu fashion shoot with your friends, Fujicolor Everyday Original strikes the delicate balance between subtle tones and bold, rich color. Fujicolor Everyday Original presets have 3 distinct looks. Superior 400 has balanced contrast and brings deep red tones to life, keeping shadows cool and neutral. This look is perfect for cozy and intimate environments. Fuji C200 is soft and warm, with muted highlights and shadows. C200 lets you capture genuine moments without feeling overly stylized. Acros 100, with crisp, clean, black and white tones and an extended tonal range, is perfect for when you're looking for a strong, personal connection with your subject. Celebrate your daily life with Fujicolor Everyday Original. Available now.